idea of a dream house was that I wanted a place which is calm and like soothes my mood. Hi, my name is Rajesh Yadav and I'm a BE graduate and working as an automation engineer for HCL.
My name is Priya. I work as an assistant manager in a cooperative sector bank and I am in the information technology department of the bank.
And we met 8 years back and we fell in love, I guess 7 years back. And we have been together since
4.5 years.
4.5 years. And
we have a small baby who is 1.5 years old.
So we started looking for interior designers back in 2021, I guess. So Priya found out about Design Cafe on Insta, like she was going through her Insta feed and somehow she came across this Design Cafe and she really liked it. What I wanted personally about the living room was that I wanted a bookshelf with my TV unit, because even though we see a lot of TV, but I read all sorts of books from self-help to fiction, non-fiction. So I wanted a separate space out there in my TV unit, like a small bookshelf, which we got. So my idea of living room was that I wanted a lazy sort of a place where I can just lie around for the whole day and read my books and watch TV at some times. So we wanted a mandir which is like sleek and not too big but not too small as well. We wanted it in a compact manner which can soothe well with our living room. So if you see our mandir, like it's very well designed. It's like it's a glossy material, white glossy material, but it looks like marble if you see it from far. So it came out really well.
Coming to the kitchen, first thing was I wanted maximum storage because this is a little compact space. I did not want things to be cluttered or kept outside. I wanted a space for everything, I mean the storage for everything. So, and I did not want specifically the handles coming out because of our baby. So all that was clearly explained that these are the requirements. I want these drawers for these particular things. Tall unit, broom unit, everything, and even though the space is very small, everything is incorporated in that particular area. I am very happy with my kitchen work. Coming to the master bedroom, my main concern was because we have a very small baby, I did not want anything, more things cluttered in one space. I wanted it to be more spacious. What I wanted was a single door which starts from the bottom till the roof. So I discussed this with our designer Isha and she has done a very good job. Coming to our guest bedroom, I wanted a different kind of mirror structure in my guest bedroom, and the new pattern what you can see here is also very good. So I like the idea very much. Our experience with Design Cafe was very good because all the stages were properly designed and the meetings were scheduled. The 2D designs, the 3D designs, everything was properly done. Even the project manager, our interior designer, everybody has done a very great job.
DC was pretty transparent in everything. All the procedures were properly explained to us and it went really smooth. I'll definitely recommend it to my friends and relatives.
Especially the way we wanted it to be, it is delivered in the same way, so we are very happy.